The python non-venomous snake found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. It kills its prey by wrapping around it and squeezing. The Indian cobra is a venomous snake found mainly in India and other parts of South Asia. Its scientific name is Naja naja. It is famous for its hood, which it spreads when it feels threatened. The rat snake is a non-venomous snake that eats rats, mice, birds, and eggs. It is long, slender, and helps farmers by controlling pests. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, found in forests of India and Southeast Asia. It has a hood and a strong, deadly bite. Despite its fearsome reputation, it usually avoids humans and feeds mainly on other snakes. The green vine snake is a slender, bright green snake found in trees and bushes of India and Southeast Asia. It is mildly venomous and uses its sharp eyesight to hunt small lizards, frogs, and birds. Its long, thin body helps it blend perfectly with leaves and vines. The krait is a highly venomous snake found in South and Southeast Asia. It is usually black with white or yellow bands and is mostly active at night. Kraits feed on other snakes, rodents, and lizards, and their bite can be very dangerous to humans. The Russell's viper is a venomous snake found in South and Southeast Asia. It has a thick body with distinctive chain-like patterns and is usually brown or yellowish. It is aggressive when threatened, and its bite can be very dangerous, so people should stay away. The checkered keelback is a non-venomous snake found in South and Southeast Asia, often near water-like ponds and rivers. It has a distinctive checkered pattern on its back and feeds on fish, frogs, and small animals. It is harmless to humans. The coral snake is a small, brightly colored venomous snake found in Asia, Africa, and the Americas. It has red, yellow, or white, and black bands. Its venom is very strong, so it should never be touched, but it is usually shy and hides from humans. The sea snake is a highly venomous snake that lives in oceans and coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It has a flattened tail to help it swim and feeds on fish and eels. Sea snakes are usually not aggressive but can be dangerous if provoked. The sand boa is a small to medium-sized, non-venomous snake found in sandy areas of Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. It burrows in sand to hide and hunt, feeding mainly on rodents and small reptiles. The trinket snake is a small, non-venomous snake found in South and Southeast Asia. It is slender, fast, and usually brown or gray with subtle markings. Trinket snakes feed on lizards, frogs, and small rodents and are harmless to humans. The banded krait is a highly venomous snake found in South and Southeast Asia. It has black and yellow bands and a thick body. Banded kraits are mostly nocturnal, feed on other snakes, and are usually calm but very dangerous if bitten. The hognose snake is a small, non-venomous snake known for its upturned nose and dramatic defensive displays. It often flattens its head, hisses loudly, and may play dead to scare predators. Hognose snakes mainly eat frogs, toads, and small rodents. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most venomous snakes in the world, found in parts of Africa. It is long, slender, and usually gray or olive-colored. Despite its deadly venom, it is shy and avoids humans, striking only when threatened. The boa constrictor is a large, non-venomous snake found in Central and South America. It kills its prey by coiling around it and squeezing tightly. Boa constrictors can grow very long and feed on mammals, birds, and lizards. They are generally calm and not dangerous to humans.
Thanks for watching 20 Sanky Name. For more interesting video, please like, share, and subscribe to Rise and Shine.